Hi, this is Rehan, a data scientist. This is about implementation of machine learning algorithms on a Kaggle dataset. We have imported libraries. We are performing data wrangling and preparing Pearson triangle correlation matrix. Similarly, we have prepared the Spearman heat map. Pictorially draw the KDK graph, box plots, and confusion matrix and decision tree figure, along with random progress figures and bounded and decision boundaries graph. This is scree graph as well. That's all for the video. I'm excited to use Python and show you my data science skills. I hope that you will provide me an opportunity in this regard. Thank you very much.